Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2021 Grady-White 216 Fisherman. This boat only has 129 hours and it has its annual service completed by MarineMax Pensacola. This boat's powered by a Yamaha 200 4-stroke engine, dual seats on the transom with backrests that flip around, ski tow bar, engine flush system. As we make our way through the boat, you'll see this boat has the deluxe leaning post with a built-in live well. Rod holders on the back, a place for your knife and pliers, and tackle storage below. Coming to the helm, this has a 12-inch Garmin screen with Fish Finder GPS. Yamaha CL7 also takes a chart chip. Bennett trim tabs with indicator. Yamaha push to start. Digital throttle shift. ICOM M330 VHF radio. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. A compass. Plenty of storage underneath the hardtop. And you'll see a full window with the wing curtains. Also a storage in the electronics box. So we make our way up to the bow. Very spacious up in the bow area. Flip around back seat rest. Cushions. A fish box. Another storage cooler box. And we've added a Minn Kota Terrova iPilot system with a quick release bracket. This completes our walkthrough of the 2021 Grady-White 216 Fisherman. Like and subscribe to our MarineMax YouTube channel.